Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ade. If you are new here, thank you very much. If you like videos on beauty, skincare and lifestyle, then you're in the right place. Kindly consider subscribing. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time and I appreciate your support of my channel. Well, today we're going to be talking about how to lighten dark inner thighs. We're going to talk about a natural way. Now, let's start. What causes dark inner thighs? Most times, it's because the major cause is due to friction. Really, just friction. So the thighs are rubbing on each other, and so that's what causes it. Most people, if you live abroad, you like, they call it a chub rub, so it happens a lot in the summer to some people, but for people that live in tropical countries where it is hot all year round, so that means that's the conditions that they have all year round. So it's really trying to make sure that you're able to at least reduce the level of friction. Some people have noticed that they have it maybe after having a baby, or some people maybe when they've added weight. So yeah, it just happens. And I think one of the things is it can knock your confidence out. It can be embarrassing. It can knock your confidence out, and you're wondering, oof. So, but look, we're here to solve problems, and this is one of the ways that you can solve the problem. Now, having dark inner thighs, you didn't just get it overnight, so it's not going to go away overnight. I need you to be kind and patient with yourself and with your body. Be kind and patient with both yourself and your body. Excuse me. So what do we need? Just need bicarbonate of soda. So this is baking soda. Please note, it is not baking powder, it is baking soda. And we need half a lemon. I've already cut it. And we need Colgate toothpaste. Now, you don't need to use this one, this advanced one, but this is the one I use because it has micro cleansing crystals in it, and it really helps to keep my teeth white. So that's what I use, but you can just get normal Colgate, it will work. So I've actually put some baking soda here, and I've actually put some toothpaste. Let me just put a little more. So I put a tablespoon of baking soda, and just like, I don't know, like 2 or 3 squirrels of I'll just say like half a tablespoon of toothpaste, of the Colgate toothpaste. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to squeeze the lemon in it. And so I'm going to just form a paste. I'm going to show you how it looks like. Now you can already see that it's already bubbling. That's what happens when you actually, I'm just going to use my fingers here, just get the toothpaste really in. So you can see it's already bubbling. So you mix that together, and so you just have this paste, right? You have this paste, and yes, so that's how it looks like. Just going to show you that's how it looks like. And so what you're going to do is, like in your shower, when you're having your shower, you're going to put this between your thighs. Please don't let it go anywhere further up, just on your thighs. And you're going to leave this for 15 minutes. I know you're going to be in the shower for 15 more minutes, yes. So when you finished having your bath, you've cleansed yourself, you're going to get this, and you're going to put it on your inner thighs. You're going to put it on your inner thighs, and you're going to use your fingers. You're going to use your fingers gently to scrub the area. Gently to scrub the area, please. Remember that the skin between your thighs is very soft. So you're not going to use like a sponge. No, you're just going to use the tips of your fingers for that. Just use that scrub. Use your fingers to scrub and leave it there for 15 minutes. So you're going to leave it there for 15 minutes. And yeah, after 15 minutes, what you're going to do is just wash it off, rinse it off, wash it off. That's it. Rinse it off and wash it off, right? Another thing you can do if you feel that your skin is going to be so sensitive, what you should actually do is just do a patch test. Just put a little on it and see how your skin reacts. If it's okay, then you can now do the whole areas. So do this. Now, how often are you going to do this? You're going to do this 2 to 3 times a week. So you're going to do this 2 to 3 times a week, and believe me, by week 2, you should see visible results. It will take like maybe between 1 to 2 months to really get your skin really clear, really clear. But believe me, between 1 to 2 weeks, you would really get visible results. Now, after putting that, just going to go with a moisturizer. You can use coconut oil. Please do not use anything lightening. Excuse me, don't use anything lightening. One of the reasons why I say so is because some people have used lightening creams there just to try and lighten their the dark inner thighs, and they've gone on to cause themselves more harm, and they now found out that it actually caused hyperpigmentation and it made the darkness worse. So please do not use any lightening cream. Just finish off with either coconut oil or just your normal moisturizer, not a lightening lotion or anything like that, right? Now, another thing that I feel that you should also be doing is add some form of disinfectant into your bath water. That's very good, like Dettol, for instance. I use this. This is NCP. Previously, it used to be called TCP, but it's a liquid antiseptic. So add this in your bath water, especially if you have maybe you have like acne or pimples also between your thighs. So add this in your bath water and use this to rinse. This would make sure that it kills any bacteria and to help to dry up any acne or anything like that. So very important. If you use this combination, you would really see great results. Another thing, as I said, after drying yourself, you can use coconut oil, or you can just use Vaseline. Use coconut oil, or you can just use Vaseline. And yes, and you will see results. Another thing that I also feel that you should do is you should get like shorts that you can wear under your skirts and your dresses to prevent that chub rub. So I'll give you an example. I don't know if you can see this. This is just like a pair of shorts, just a pair of knickers really, but long ones that can stretch to your thighs, just something like that. I think, let me just show you, just something like that. I just got this from a local supermarket here. Yeah, and it was 1,500 from Ibano, and that's a local supermarket here. But you can just buy this, and what I would suggest that you do is buy like 5 of this. And buy like 5 of it, so that you don't run out of it. So what this would do is make sure that as you're treating the area, you don't continue, that chub rub, that friction doesn't continue. So this would do is to act as a barrier, so to also prevent that rubbing and that chafing, because it can be quite uncomfortable. So I'll say buy like 5 of this, and always have it under your skirts, under your dresses and things like that. Although if you wear trousers, trousers often, you won't really like have at least you don't have to be dealing so much with that friction. So get those tights and these shorts, and believe you me, it would really really help. Another thing I would say is, in terms of hygiene, if you are going out, and just always have like some tissue, in your car. So if you need to use a public loo or something like that, you get your tissue and you spread it over the seat, right? If you really really need to use the loo, but try as much as possible not to use public toilets, especially if you need to do anything major. Just try and make sure that you always use your home. Another thing you can do is, if you don't have is if you have like hand sanitizer, those spray ones. So spray some, right, on your tissue, just like that, and use it to clean the seat before you sit on it. You would see a big difference in just making sure that your thighs are bacteria free and they're clean. So I really hope that this video has been very very helpful. I just want you to be patient with yourself, and be kind to yourself, and just do this. You will see visible results between 1 or 2 weeks, and in 2 months you would not believe how clear your thighs are. Please, I look forward to hearing from you. Please drop a comment. Just drop a comment about your experience, if you're going to, when you use this, or if you have any other methods of taking care of dark inner thighs. Please just write it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Well, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I will see you in my next video. Cheers.